In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a password on iPhone. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. This app is your control panel for all the settings on your iPhone. By accessing settings, you can manage everything from Wi-Fi connections to notifications and, importantly, your passcode. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to accessing the security features of your device. Once you tap on the settings icon, the screen will display various options. Take a moment to locate the correct section before moving on. Next, tap on Face ID and passcode if you have a newer iPhone with Face ID. If your iPhone has a home button, you will see Touch ID and passcode instead. This section is where you manage the security of your device. Selecting this option allows you to enter a layer of security that protects your personal information. It is essential to ensure that your iPhone remains secure. You will see a prompt asking you to enter your current passcode. This is a vital step as it verifies your identity before any changes can be made. Once you have entered your current passcode, tap on Change Passcode. This action will guide you through the process of updating your passcode. After tapping Change Passcode, you will again be prompted to enter your current passcode. This may seem redundant, but it adds an extra layer of security by confirming that it is indeed you making this change. It's a simple step, but it significantly enhances the security of your device. Now you will enter your new passcode. Choose a passcode that is memorable but not easily guessed. A strong passcode is essential because it protects your personal data from unauthorized access. As you enter the new passcode, you will see the numbers appear on the screen, ensuring you have entered it correctly. Take your time with this step, there's no rush. After entering your new passcode, you will need to re-enter it for confirmation. This step ensures that you haven't made any mistakes in typing your new passcode. It's a straightforward action, but it is critical to avoid any future issues accessing your device. Once you have successfully re-entered your new passcode, you will see a confirmation that your passcode has been changed. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can feel secure knowing your device is protected. At this point, if you want to use a different type of passcode, tap on Passcode Options. This feature gives you the flexibility to choose the passcode format that suits you best. You can opt for a custom alphabetic code, which allows letters and numbers, or a custom numeric code for a more personalized touch. Alternatively, you can select the classic 4-digit numeric code for simplicity. Each option has its advantages, so choose the one that meets your security needs. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to set up your new passcode. This customization is important because it ensures that your device security aligns with your personal preferences. You now have the power to decide how you want to secure your device. In conclusion, changing your passcode is a straightforward yet essential task to keep your iPhone secure. Regularly updating your passcode can help protect your data from unauthorized access. Thank you for following along this step-by-step guide on changing your passcode. You have taken an important step in securing your device.